The DJI Mini 4 Pro now features Vision Assist, and this is a fantastic system because these horizontal obstacle avoidance sensors, those are actually cameras. And what this feature enables is that you're going to use these cameras to see 360 degrees around you or around the drone, so you can actually see what the vision system or what the obstacle avoidance sensors see when they detect obstacles. So let's put this drone into the air so you can see how it works in real life and how you actually use this system, because it can be really powerful. So as usually when a drone is flying, we see the camera view of the main camera. But here at the bottom, where we are used to see the map and the radar, if we swipe this one to the side, we now see the map. And if we swipe again, we now see the vision sensors. So now we can see that we are looking at the vision sensor forward, and then we can tap to see the vision sensor backwards, left side, and right side. And you can see the propellers in the screen as well, but that is just how it is, because that's how these vision sensor cameras are placed on a drone. We won't record anything from these ones. When we record a video, we will still only record from the main camera, but if I do a screen recording as I do right now, then you will of course see it. And if I tap this top right corner, we can get this on full screen, and I get the main camera at bottom left. And now I can see that if I would like to have the camera forward, I just press forward. And now if I fly forward, we can see that it's automatically adjusting the camera that is aiming towards the direction we are flying. And we can also see that that arrow is lit up in yellow. If we fly up a little bit so we don't have any obstacles in the way here. So if we are flying forward, we're going to see that that camera will now switch to the forward camera, and we get a little line from the bottom. If we fly fast, that line will be longer. And if we fly slower, that line is shorter. So that one is indicating how fast you're flying. If we put this to sport mode and we fly forward, then we get the longest line. But the line will never be longer than that. And I was very close that we flew into some trees here, and that's not good because we are in sport mode. Let's switch to the main camera so we can see, oh, look there. So if I would have flown just a little bit further, I would have flown into those trees, because the obstacle avoidance sensors are turned off when we are in sport mode. And I can actually lock this system to view the camera that I would like to view. So for example, I can tap the left camera, and then we're getting a little lock icon. So now even if I fly forward, we're still gonna have this view to the left. To cancel, I can just tap any other. And what we also can do is that if we are flying forward, we're gonna have that camera. I can tap another one, and we're gonna see that one for 3 seconds before it goes back to the direction in which we are flying. And then to switch back so we get it on the small screen, we can just tap the main camera and we get it here. And when we are in this view, we also get a collision warning. So if I fly closer to me here, backwards, now you can see that it's turning yellow. And then if we're getting even closer, it's going to turn red. And it's actually turning yellow if the drone is between 2.2 and 5 meters away from the obstacle. And if it's shorter than 2.2 meters, well, then it turns red. So that is a good indicator how close you are to obstacles and things. So this is how the Vision Assist system works on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Personally, I really appreciate this because there are many times when you are flying somewhere and suddenly the drone detects an obstacle, but you're sure there isn't anything. So then you can just switch to display that camera, and then you can for sure verify if there is anything in the way or not. And remember that you can actually swipe this one to swipe between different modes in the bottom left. And if this was a useful video, please buy me a cup of coffee because it's freaking cold outside here in Canada. And the top video, well, that is the latest uploaded video I have. And the bottom one, well, that is the video YouTube recommended to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.